Want to fix a dim or hard-to-read date and time on your iPhone lock screen? First, go to your lock screen. Press and hold until the customization view appears. Then unlock if prompted. Tap Customize at the bottom, then tap the date and time area to edit its appearance. Start by picking a color that contrasts well with your wallpaper. Avoid shades that blend into the background. Next, adjust the font style and weight. You can make it bolder or switch styles so the time and date pop. If your wallpaper is causing automatic tinting that makes the text hard to see, overriding it with a manually selected color and style gives you full control. Preview what you've done, and when it's readable, exit the editor to save. If you want even more clarity, consider changing the wallpaper to something with less visual noise behind the text, or adding a subtle shadow effect if your lock screen style supports it. That's all it takes to make the lock screen date and time sharp and easy to read again. If this helped you, tap like, drop your best iPhone personalization tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick customization guides.